Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper in additional uh, of Tuesday, April the 6th, 2021. Here in the additional, we have 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. But also a tectonic with 4 star, tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle number 1 and binary puzzle 2. And the first Sudoku I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku. Sudoku number 2, 5, 8, 9. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. Correct me if I'm wrong. This one has 25. All right, so let's get started. I see here in this column 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have the 1 and the 6 in this big square, so no 1 and the 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes in this column. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, and 8. Okay. And now we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left in the 7, 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. The third row. Those 2 numbers. Wait. 2 numbers of the missing 3 missing numbers. 2 of them are the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this box. So no 7 and a 3 in this box. This square, so no 7 and 3 in this box. So the 7 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. So 1 box left in this row, the third row for the number 5. All right, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this middle column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. So the 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Here we have an 8 there. Here we have an 8 there. The 8 should be here. Yes. So 3, 5, and 8 are missing. 3, 5, and 8. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. only place for the 8 should be there. So now 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 7, 7. Yeah, we have a pair. 2 and a 7 in this column, 2 and a 7 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 and a 7 should be in these 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Okay. 6, 6. Okay. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, so we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 8. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The missing numbers are here are the numbers 9 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the 4 in this row? The 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then. 1, 5, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 9. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be the 1. And this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 9 and 5. Yeah, 9 and 5 are missing. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes and there. 6 in this row. 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. All right. Did I mention the 1? And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. All right. How about the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. All right. How about the 8? No, the 8 I cannot continue. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. All right. 1 box left in this row, the second row, for the number 4. All right. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. All right. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 4. All right. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 7 and 3. That means these 2 should be also 7 and 3. And look, we have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in the last row for the number 5. No. 8. 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. For a 3 Stars Sudoku, well, I think it's a 1 star. All right. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku in this additional. Yes. So see you later. Bye bye for now.